Peace, family. I pray you're blessed. I pray you're doing your best out there wherever you are. Peace to the families. Peace to the tribes. Peace to my brothers and sisters. I haven't been on because I've been processing something. And I was running around preparing for a few events that we needed to go to. And it takes time to get kids ready to do different things. But I want to know what you think about this and what your response would be. So, I told you my youngest daughter has been sick for this past year. She's seen multiple doctors, hasn't been able to figure out what the problem is, right? So I took her to a specialist and the next state over to see if we can get some answers. And I've also been simultaneously bringing her to physical therapy to try to strengthen her muscles and help her to become more mobile so that she can return to school, because she's been out of school because of this issue. Now, she's been going to physical therapy for about a month, and the experience has been relatively positive and somewhat effective. And then, after speaking with the specialist in rheumatology, they were saying they don't think that she has juvenile arthritis. They think that, it's probably more of an amplified musculoskeletal pain syndrome, something in that category. And physical therapy is the best treatment for it. So I'm like, okay, we're going in the right direction here. So I felt good about that. I bring her to physical therapy one day, and we're sitting there waiting for the physical therapist. And it happens to be right before the Memorial Day weekend. And my daughter just happens to ask me, Mommy, what is Memorial Day for? So I explained to her that it's to honor the soldiers who fought in wars for this country. And the therapist is kind of listening to the conversation as she's kind of wrapping up things for her previous patient. And then when she comes to, take in my daughter, she tells my daughter, now we're the only melanated patients at this facility. This physical therapist says to my daughters, oh, don't worry. We're going to make America great again. And something in me paused. I'm not really into politics. I'm not on the left or the right. As far as I can see, neither side has really honored my people or given my people what my people deserve. So I'm not into politics. I'm not a political, activist of any kind. But I'm seeing how politics is influencing my world. When that woman said to my child, we're going to make America great again, I felt troubled in my spirit. And I said, oh, wait a minute. Why do I feel that way? And so for the whole day, and even into the next day, I couldn't shake it. I started thinking, wait a minute, am I safe in that area? Wait a minute, should I be driving over there? Wait a minute. Am I going to get pulled over and harassed? Wait a minute, is that what this community of people are into? Should I be bringing my Black self over there? And I felt alarmed. I felt threatened. And it was innocent on her part. It appeared to be innocent anyway. But do you know, I canceled all my appointments. And my daughter will go to physical therapy somewhere else. an entirely different environment because I don't feel safe. I don't. And so, what would you do if a practitioner said that to you? You're a melanated person, and they say to you or your child, oh, don't worry, we're going to make America great again. It sounds like it should be a positive thing, but it didn't feel that way. And I trust my instincts.